for creating my graphic novel starts with choosing the right camera angle of a scene built in SketchUp and then capturing that as a screenshot. Then characters are added by posing figures to fit the scene and match the storyboard. These are imported into Illustrator in layers. The next step is to draw outlines around the figures using a Wacom tablet. It takes time to ensure all the spaces are closed so the outlines can be converted into color using the Live Paint tool. Once all the areas are colored, gradients, patterns, and other details are added. Then the final illustration is imported into InDesign as a PNG and the page layout is done. This graphic novel came into being during COVID when I was inspired with a story in response to the question of how a better world might be created. It took a year or so to learn the craft of fiction writing, but eventually I had a complete manuscript. Based on a friend's suggestion that it be turned into a graphic novel, I took the first third of the book and condensed it down into something I could illustrate. 700 rough sketches were done to block out the flow of the story. Before starting the final illustrations, I considered different mediums, watercolor, oil, or pastels. In the end, I decided to use Adobe Illustrator, which meant learning what the program could do and then making it do what I wanted. SketchUp was recommended as a way to create backgrounds and settings in 3D. To make the characters as realistic as possible, I purchased various posable apps along with subscriptions to sites that offered resources like patterns and stock photos. Destination Sanctuary has truly been a labor of love.